So last class we discussed. Can you see my screen? MS Paint. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class we discussed. Right? So Terraform state commands, right? So what is Terraform? Terraform state. If we give state command, so there is a list. Already we discussed list, and so there is list mv command mv next pull command next push we didn't touch, push also is there. Next what is this replacement, right? rm command, what is this? Replace provider, replace provider. So this and all we discuss, right? Today we'll see so continuation, so how it will work. So this is mostly, right? So Terraform non-Terraform resource to Terraform resource, and Terraform resource to non-Terraform resource. If you want to modify, so how it will come, we'll see today. AWS console login. Now, so first I am coming to my resource. Anyone any doubt last class? So these are the so simple only if you want to move, and mostly we discuss, right? So what is state file also? State file is nothing but so this is the backup file, this is the text file, this is the backup file, and so your actual resource information, it will store into the state file, it will store into the state file, it will store into the state file, and mostly we discuss, right? State file, and so state dot tf file, terraform dot so tf state, tf's default extension should be state file. And so once you use apply command, terraform apply command, so then state file will be created, then dot tf file be tf so state file will create. Already last class we discussed, right? And so the actual resource and all, it will store into the actual resource information, it store into the state file. Interview also most of the people they are asking, so what is so state file in Terraform. So state file is nothing but that is one file, that's it. The actual content of your so this file JSON format mapping the resource defined in the configuration, and so existing in your infrastructure. So already we have some we created infrastructure, that existing information and all, it is stored into the JSON format, and this state file available in same directory only. And so this state file has a JSON format. So this state file has JSON format mapping the resources defined in the configuration. Whatever resource defined in our local, so that information and all, it is stored into the state file. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt? So this is very very important, this is very very important, and so how it will work and all. Clear? I hope you got it, right? Now come to here, now let me go to here, this class. Now I'm going to create, so what in it do, resource, right? State is resource. Oh, already here, right? State VM, this is state file. If you go here, cmd, and so terraform, first we'll see, I'll create one directory. Control plus. Terraform, if you use state, if you use state, so now last class we remove, right? So remove the instance from the state. If you want to remove the instance from the state, we'll see, So how it will work? How it will work? Now, now I'm going to here about that review this state underscore test. Okay. Now whatever we want, we can pick it. And yesterday I created it. Same file. That's enough for me. So I'm going to here. Now go to here. Open this. And yesterday I created. These are the provider. And this is a resource block. I created one. So VPC. And whatever you want, so we can create. And so I created so another VPC, and this and all we don't want right now. We don't want. So just this is a provider block, and this is the one resource VPC. Just I am going to create one VPC, and so just I am giving DevOps VPC1, another VPC, and if you want to, we can create subnet whatever you want. Just add it. Remaining story same only. So there is a two resource block. Now I'm going to create so two VPCs. That's it. If you want to, we can add one more AWS instance also. Whatever you want, that is your wish. I am not going to create so any instance and all. If you want to, we can add it. This is the same story only. Don't confuse here. Whatever you want, we can add all resources. Now Control S, save, and go and run here particular path. CMD. So CMD, close it. Control plus plus. And first terraform init, terraform init. So terraform init, it will download that particular provider plugin. So now it is going to download AWS plugin. So now I am going to use so terraform plan. Now last class we discussed, right? I am going to make it as a non terraform resource. First we'll see how it will create terraform plan. How many resources will create? Two resources, right? How many resources will create? Two resources. Anyone, any doubt here? I have only two resources. I have only two resources, two VPCs, DevOps 1 and DevOps 2. Just I'm going to create two VPCs. See here, 2 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Now I'm using Terraform apply. I hope everyone know there is no doubt here. Hyphen auto approve. Now, so how to, now I have two resources. I'm going to create two VPCs. Now I'm in which region? Just check it. Mumbai region. Go to VPC, go to VPC. Just check it. How many VPCs? Click on VPC. Now refresh it. DevOps VPC. What is the resource name? VPC underscore DevOps. VPC underscore DevOps. Still not created, right? Which region? Just check it. Which region? Same only default AP South one only. Now coming to here. What is the name I given here? DevOps VPC2, DevOps VPC1. Tag name. DevOps VPC1 and DevOps VPC2. So one is 10.20. This one, and another one is 10.0. This one. So here you can check it. One is 10.00016, and so two is 10.20, and this is the yesterday maybe they created. Leave it. I'm going to delete this one. Delete. Now stateful is created, right? Stateful is created or not? Once if you use apply
Yes,
command, so
noted.
stateful will create. Stateful will create. Now if you want to, we can see. So that information and all we can see here. See here. One is VPC underscore DevOps 1, and second one is VPC underscore DevOps 2. There is 2 is created. Okay. Now no doubt. If I run same command, what is happening? It will create, or what is the here resource count? 0 to add, 0 to change,
Yeah.
0 to destroy, because already available. Now I'm going to make one resource as a non-Terraform resource. So how it will work, check it. Now see here, 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. So there is no changes. Now this is very very important. Interval also people are touching this one. Now I want to make as one resource as non-Terraform resource. How to change it? What is the command? If you want to, now these are the Terraform resource. If you use a Terraform state list. If you give Terraform list, these are the Terraform resources or non-Terraform resources.
Terraform resources.
Terraform
Terraform
resources.
resource.
Now I'm going to make one resource as a non-Terraform resource. What is this command? Terraform, and we need to use rm command. Now this is right. Rm means remove instances from the state. I want to remove this from state. If you see here state, I have two resources information available in the state file. Now I am going to remove one resource. Terraform, Terraform, hmm, Terraform state
Yes, Aaron.
rm and resource name. Copy
Resource
this
name.
resource name, anyone. I am going to remove so devops1. I am going to remove devops1. That's it. So before that, whenever if you want to add again, we need to take backup that resource information also. Terraform state show resource name. Which resource I am going to make it as none? This one, right? Same one I am copying. Just I am pasting it. Show means it will give information about that resource, Terraform resource. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు నేను బిఫోర్ మళ్ళీ మీరు టెరాఫామ్ రిసోర్స్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే వీ నీడ్ దిస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. సో బిఫోర్ make it as rm, just I am copy this one. This is the command terraform state show resource name. Just give that full name and copy this content and keep in somewhere, and later if you want to, we can use it, paste it. Now, so Terraform, same command Terraform state rm, Terraform state rm. Which one we want to remove? This one. Now that's it. Okay. Now see here, successfully removed one resource from the instances. Now we can check it. Terraform state list. Now how many resources it will display? Earlier it will display two, right? Now it will
One.
display only
Only
one.
one.
Okay. Now if you want to go and check at state file, go to here state file, just open, yes, modified. Now see here, how many resource information available in state file? Only one or two? Only
One resource.
only one resource information. So now again later, so now that's it. Now so it is not part of your state file. Even if you run, so if you destroy also, it will give count only one. See, if I give list also, terraform destroy, how many resource it is going to destroy?
One.
Only
Only
one.
one.
That's clarity enough. Okay. ఎందుకంటే నా స్టేట్ ఫైల్లో ఒక రిసోర్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషనే ఉంది. అనదర్ VPC, see here, one to destroy, no, I am giving no, I am giving no. Okay, I don't want, come destroy cancellation. Now so here doubt, here one more question is, so this is the non terraform resource. Now how to add non terraform resource to other terraform resource? Now this is very simple, right? ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసాము, జస్ట్ ఆర్ఎం కొట్టేసి జస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేసాం, టెరాఫామ్ రిసోర్స్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చినామంటే జస్ట్ రిమూవ్ ద, నవ్ దట్ రిసోర్స్ ఈజ్ నాన్ టెరాఫామ్ రిసోర్స్. నవ్ హియర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్, సో హౌ టు యాడ్ that terraform resource to, sorry, non terraform resource to terraform resource, reverse. Clear? Srinath గారు, clear?
Yeah,
Now this is
clear.
clear. మళ్ళీ నేనేం చేయాలి దీన్ని, నాన్ టెరాఫామ్
So,
రిసోర్స్ని టెరాఫామ్ రిసోర్స్కి
for
యాడ్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ we need to follow some steps. Now try to understand. Now, so already you copied, right? Already you copied, right? So I have backup and all. Now go to your go to your first. Before that, so there is a one more Terraform block we need to use, that is Terraform import. So Terraform import. So this is if non-Terraform resource to Terraform resource, if you want to convert, first you need to understand what is import and how it will work. So non-Terraform resource to, if you want to convert Terraform resource, there is a import. So now click on more. This is, see here, import blocks only available Terraform 1.5, and so use import block to import existing infrastructure resources into Terraform existing. So bringing under the Terraform manager, how it will work, see. And so this is the Terraform import, and these are the syntax. These are the syntax. See, you can add import block to any Terraform configuration file. మీకు ఎక్కడ కావాలంటే అక్కడ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎనీ టెరాఫామ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఫైల్, ఏ కామన్ ప్యాటర్న్ టు క్రియేట్ ఇంపోర్ట్ డాట్ టిఎఫ్. డిఫాల్ట్ ఫైల్ నేమ్ షుడ్ బి ఇంపోర్ట్స్ డాట్ టిఎఫ్ ఫైల్. But anyway, right now I have only one file. In same file I am going to modify. ఈ ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఇక్కడ we can add any terraform file. So see here, command create so any file, and so to place it, import block beside the resource block, and so block it as import. That's it. Okay, so this is the syntax. So this is the syntax. So this is the syntax. And here there is two import block, the two arguments we are passing. One is two argument and one is id argument. So import, and we can pass two arguments. One is two and one is id. So two means so the instance address this resource will have in our state file. Which IP, which instance address we have to add in Terraform file, that state file, that is the two. Now id means this is the name only. Two is nothing but name only. See here, instance address, this resource will have this state file, and id means this is a string, and we have to copy an expression that evaluation. This is the string, we need to pass double quotation, and this is the you can give directly. That's it. Remaining and all optional, you don't worry. So these are the providers. If you want to, we can add provider argument also, but anyway this is not mandatory, this is the optional, but these two are the mandatory. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? Now I am going to convert non-resource, non-Terraform resource to Terraform resource. What block I need to add? Import. Copy this one and go to your file. Which one I removed? This one, right? Correct. నేను ఏం చేశాను? దీన్ని చేశానా? నాన్ టెరాఫామ్ రిసోర్స్
DevOps
one
1.
only, right? Now comment this one or delete this one, that is your wish. So anyway, I am going to comment. I'm not going to delete, I need, so I'm comment. Now so what I need to do, now I need to convert to Terraform resource. Which block we need to add? Import block.
Import.
Import block. So import, we need to pass two arguments. One is two and one is id. And what is two? Two means this is your so name, that is your name. Same means this name. Now we have confusion, right? Where is this? Already I have that backup, right? So go to here, go to here, where I keep it, this is right. So this is the name, this is the name. So this is the name. Copy this one, copy this one, and so paste it here. Now see here, two address, just paste it here. And id means so if you go here, there is one id also available. If you go here, there is one id also available. Where is that id?
and
This is black ip address, default
tag subset owner underscore ID.
owner underscore id. This one
No,
Not
sir.
this file.
Enable
The
No,
and
no, one more is there.
this is ID.
Yeah,
the
that's
This is
we-
ID. VPC ID. This is different ID. Owner ID. This is your account ID. This is your account ID. I want VPC ID. Generally VPC ID. This is right. If you go manually also, we can get it here. So how it will come, right? VPC ID. VPC hyphen. This is the pattern, right? Shivashankar, clear? This is the VPC ID.
clear.
Okay. Now we need to copy this VPC ID and just paste in our file. That's it. Where is that? Here. So now paste it. Sorry, not here, and paste it. Okay. Now anyone any doubt here? That's it. Now what if you want to convert non-Terraform resource to Terraform resource? We need to add import black. Import black has two arguments, to and id. To and id. To means that name, and so resource name, and id means your VPC id. So already we have backup, right? Already we have backup. So now and also, and where is this? Copy this one, same at is, keep into same file, keep into same file, keep into
Contact. No need, no need, no need. Leave it. Generally, it's
direct
good.
will fill it.
Yeah, yeah.
Now where is that file? Go here, right? Now save it, file, save. Now go to here, same path, right? Now which command I need to run? So after adding everything available in the document, if we have any doubt and all, and ID after ID we are adding, we need to run so plan command. We need to run plan and then we need to apply. So first we need to apply Terraform resource import block during this plan stage. Once plan is approved, so then we can use. Now I am going to use a plan command. Now try to understand what is happening. So now Terraform 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 plan. Now what is
Typo.
type error?
Typo.
Terraform spell. Typo.
Terraform Terraform plan. Now it will come one command, generator command and all. So if we have error, we need to execute this one or else leave it. Now see here, it is see planning failed. Terraform encountered an error while generating this plan. Import black target does not exist, and the target for the given import block does not exist. If you want to automatically generate the config for the resource, we need to run this command. No need to do, just copy and paste it. This ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏముంటుందంటే సేమ్ ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వీ కెన్ సీ. జస్ట్ కాపీ దిస్ వన్ and so this is copy Terraform plan hyphen generate hyphen config hyphen out. It will generate one file generator data. Just now we added import, right? That import related information, it is going to generate this file. That's it. Just copy and paste it. Don't do anything. Copy and paste it. Once so we are done. Once this is done, and so the file should be available in same path. The file should be available in same path. So the file should be available in same path. Now again we are, it is showing some error message. What is that error message? See failed plan, and it is expecting something missing required argument, and so this is and generated that file line number 12, source code not available, IP6, all of IP6 and length must be specified. So if you open this file, where this information they are mentioning clearly, generated.tf file, open that. Notepad, notepad, generator.tf file. So line number, what is the line number? 12. What is the line number? 12. What is the line number? 12. Now click on this, click on this. Now copy this entire generated content. Now it line number 12 means, so here it is mentioning somewhere IP6 related error, right? See here, IP6 net mask length null. Now if you see here, IP6 net mask length null. So we need to remove this one and we need to remove this one. IP6 related information we have to remove. If you run multiple times, we'll see errors. But anyway, remove just IP6. Anyway, we are not going to use, right? Or else try one by one, we can get it. Okay, I am removing IP related. I am not using anything, right? So that's it. Now copy this content, and so copy this content. So it is expecting, so we are passing line null, right? Or else we can, that is your wish. If you want to know, Control Z. Now I am removing only this line. Okay. If you run means again it is asking, so this is also, it is getting summer. That is the reason at a time I am removing all IP6 inform. Sorry, what is this? All IP6. I don't want all IP6. We are using IP6. Don't remove IP4. It is showing IP6 only. Now I am copying this one and go to here where we need to go. Go to our script. Below, just add it. That's it. Below we can add it. Below we can add it. Now save it. Control S, save. Again, before running plan, it is showing one error message. Now we'll need to delete this one also. I will show you. Now see here, duplicate resource configuration found, already generated .tf file available. Just we need to remove. How to remove here? Rm space, sorry, del space. This is the Windows, right? Linux means Rm, right? Here one file is available. What is the file name? Generated.tf file. Just remove this file. How to remove, guys? Windows del space file name. Del space file name. Generated.tf file. Clear? Anyone any doubt? After copying that content, generated.tf file, just whatever error message it is showing, remove that lines and all. And so finally we need to remove this file. I removed. Now I don't have that file. Now finally we need to run plan command. Finally run, we need to plan command. Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Now see here. Now see here. Want to add, want to import. Now got it. Extra we can see one more count. జనరల్‌గా మనకి యూజువల్లీ ఏమొస్తుంది, మనకి 0 టు యాడ్, 0 టు చేంజ్, 0 టు డిస్ట్రాయ్, రైట్? శ్రీనాథ్ గారు క్లియర్? నౌ ఎక్స్ట్రా వీ కెన్ సీ వన్ మోర్. 1 టు ఇంపోర్ట్.
Clear.
1 టు ఇంపోర్ట్
Yes,
మీన్స్
one to import.
now
Yes.
we can do something. We are importing. See here what you importing? Everything, this information again it is added into the which file? ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేసి ఉంటుంది?
State.
State file. Now if you want to go and check,
State
try
file.
it. Now go to here, open this. Now it didn't apply, right? Just it is showing. Okay, so last me open. Now as of now we can only one. When it will apply? Once apply command used, then only it will store into the state file. Now I am going to ask terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. State file update చేయాలంటే first we need to execute apply command. Otherwise it won't add that information in the state file. Now see here, one imported, one added, 0 changed, 0 destroy. Now this information and all we can see. Now copy this name. Now go to your state file. See here. So now we can check it here whether it is really added or not. Now see here, added or not. Now this resource is Terraform resource or non-Terraform resource. Now check it whether it is really added or not. Clear the screen.
Terraform resource.
Terraform state list. Now how many you want? One or two? ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎన్ని
Two.
రావాలి ఇక్కడ? వన్ నా టూనా?
Two, sir.
టూ.
Two.
Now got it. So what you understand? So non terraform resource converted to terraform resource, we need to use import command. I hope you got it, right? Anyone any doubt here?
Uh,
Okay. Now here one more doubt. This is okay. This is the non-Terraform resource, and we have that. So we have non-Terraform resource. We have that list and all. And based on this, already this, if they make it as non-Terraform resource, so they are maintaining one file which resource they removed and all. And feature if they want to add Terraform resource, so with the help of this name, with the help of import tag, and we can import we can convert it to Terraform resource. Now here, now this is script, this is the non-Terraform resource. Now I'm going to create manually one more resource. Now how this will update in Terraform? అర్థమవుతుందా? So that is okay. Now I'm going to create so manually. I am going to create manually one resource. This is a manual process I am following. Manual process. For example, so I am following test test-vpc. I am giving IP range 10 dot 10 dot, so 10 dot 30 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16 0 dot 16. So this is some so few people so they created manually, they created IP6 only. So now tenancy default only, and so this is the name. Okay, create VPC. So now I created manually. I hope you got it right. Now I created manually. So how now this information available in my Terraform state file? Anyone guess it at least? That is
No.
no, right? So one guy created manually. I want to update this information to so my state file. Clear?
Yeah.
No. So in this case, what is the process? That is non-Terraform resource means we have some list and all, and so now it is pulling, it is importing, and so we are doing something. Now this resource created manually. Now how to update? Now if you see, go and see, this information not available in my state file. So obviously it is not available in my state file. I hope this is you understand, right? This is straightforward. Now how to update? How to update? This is a manual I created. So manual I created in my cloud. So now this is the information, and so I want to add this my script also, my say add to my Terraform resource. But as of now, this is
Take
manual
VPC,
process. Same.
yeah, VPC
Mm,
ID and VPC name.
go to here, go to here, and same. So we need to use import tag only. I've got it. I created manually. Okay. If you want to, you can use. This is the just I give an understanding purpose. VPC. Just use same tag. Now import to address. We can give any name. Which name you want to add in our state file. So AWS underscore VPC underscore. Here I am using. So what is name? We can follow same pattern, or else we can test hyphen VPC. I am giving same only. Test hyphen VPC. Naming convention I have given same only. What is the ID of this VPC? This is a manually created, right? So this is a manually created, and this is ID. Copy this ID, VPC ID. Anyone any doubt guys here? That's it. No need to do anything. So import to, and we can give that this is up to this same only AWS underscore VPC, and we can give any name and ID. This is your VPC ID. I hope you got it right. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Save. Control S. Save. Now go to here. Before running, I want to see. So go to state file. Do we have that? See here, we can see only two VPC information. This is the DevOps 2. This is the one block, and so this is the another block. Apart from this, do we have anything? No, right?
No.
Okay. Now go to here. I am running Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Now same story. Copy, run this. Now this is the IP6, right? Notepad, open file name, generator dot file, and so this and all just remove IP6. But actually it is asking it one. Next time if you run, you will get this errors also. So that is the reason at a time I am removing all IP6. Okay, just copy this content and don't save and go to here my file. Where is this main file? Just add it. That's it. Save. And now what I need to do before run plan, I need to remove the which file? I need to remove. Sure.
Dells.
Terraform. If I use plan means duplicate available, duplicate file is available. That is reason del space generator dot tf. That's it. Now let me run Terraform. Terraform plan. Now go to plan. Now see here. So one to import, one to import, one to import. Okay. Now if you go Terraform state file, we cannot see this information as of now, right? We didn't apply. ఏ కమాండ్ రన్ చేయలేదు నేను.
Apply command.
Apply command. If you use apply only, Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. Terraform apply auto. Now see here, 1 to imported, 0 to add, 0 to destroy. ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయలేదు ఇది? 0 to add means
Already added.
already available in actual
Yeah.
resource, only imported to so our
Terraform file
state
only.
file. Now see here,
Yeah.
modified. So now if you go here, we can see one more black test VPC. Now got it.
Yes.
So this is the, if manual resource if you want to add, so same command import command, same command import command, same command import command. Non Terraform resource to Terraform resource, or manually if you add any resource in infrastructure, so that and also add with the help of import only, with the help of import only. I hope you got some idea, right? This is very important. Interview also, so people are touching. Okay, only import to two arguments, 2 and id, 2 and id, 2 and id, and
Only VPC can add. Yeah. Otherwise, any other also we can add like that.
ఇంతకుముందు అదే కదా చెప్పాం, ఇక్కడ
Only
ఏం
import
నేర్పించినాం.
only.
సి ఇంపోర్ట్, import can
Yeah.
be terraform process import block during the plan. Once a plan is approved, terraform import somewhere we can use any resource. అదే కదా ఇక్కడ చెప్పినాము. See here, resource during the terraform Terraform command configuration somewhere already, right? We can use any resource, దేనికైనా వాడుకోవచ్చు.
Okay. Okay.
ఏరి విపిసి అని
So
సింపుల్గా
here
క్రియేట్ చేసి
only.
అర్థమయ్యేదానికి ఊరిక
Okay.
జస్ట్ వీ
Okay.
కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ రిసోర్స్. సమ్వేర్ వీ సా దట్ మెసేజ్ ఆల్సో.
Okay, okay. Instance ka apply చేసి they can understand easily. Take existing instance.
క్లియర్ శ్రీనాథ్, ఐ కెన్ యాడ్.
Yeah. Okay.
యూ విల్ ట్రై ఆర్ ఐ కెన్ యాడ్.
Yeah. Yeah. I will try.
ట్రై సేమ్ ఎనీ రిసోర్స్. సో ఆల్రెడీ వీళ్ళు వచ్చేసారు, రైట్? నువ్వు ఏ రిసోర్స్ కన్నా యాడ్ చేసుకో, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. సో సమ్వేర్
Okay.
ఆల్సో రీడ్ unlike terraform command configuration import existing infrastructure into the Terraform being under the arguments and the Terraform set, you can manage import resources like any other. Now got it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
a resource can use చేసుకోవచ్చు. That is your wish. Just try. If not work, I will show you. Okay. I hope clear, right? This is very very important. సో రియల్ టైంలో మనకి ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది, ఒకవేళ మాన్యువల్గా క్రియేట్ చేస్తే హౌ టు అప్డేట్, So if already available in Terraform, how to make it as a non-Terraform resource? So this is the process. This is the process. Now, so now go to here. Now this is the state file, right? This is the state file. So generally state file means, for example, this is my script. This is my script, right? So now this is available in my local. But real time mostly 100% we are not maintaining my local. Where is my state file here? Local or anywhere somewhere. ఈ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ
Locals.
లోకల్లో ఉంది. బట్ రియల్ టైంలో మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్స్ వర్కింగ్ రైట్. ఇప్పుడు నా ఫైల్ నేను లోకల్లో మెయింటైన్ చేసి నీ ఫైల్ నువ్వు లోకల్లో మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే విచ్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఫైల్, విచ్ ఈస్ ద ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్? ambiguity right, confusion right, క్లియర్. రియల్ టైంలో మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ మనం ఇద్దరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం. జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ టూ డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్, వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ సో టూ డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్. హౌ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్? సో జనరల్గా మన సోర్స్ కోడ్ అంతా ఎక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తాం? సోర్స్ కోడ్
Deposit.
డిపాజిటరీ రైట్. సేమ్ వే రియల్ టైమ్ వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ సో దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఇన్ సపరేట్ వన్ లొకేషన్, కామన్ లొకేషన్. whether it is in whether it is in any repository or mostly we are maintaining some anywhere some common location. But Terraform people so they are giving one if you want to maintain, if you want to upload this Terraform file, if you want to upload this Terraform file, now here I am going to upload S3 bucket. So S3 bucket, I hope everyone know right what is S3 bucket. No need to give full no need to give again explanation and all. S3 bucket, so we can store any type of
Data.
data right. So now as of now my state file available local. No, I want to maintain this state file in my remote, my AWS S3 bucket. So for this purpose so AWS people they are sorry Terraform people they are giving on command so Terraform backend, Terraform backend command. So Terraform backend command, if you go here, what is this Terraform backend? Now see here, this is the S3 stores the state as given key in the so given bucket amjan S3. So how it will means this is very simple only. Terraform backend S3 and this is the bucket name. This is your so file. This is your file path. This is your file path and this is which region you want to create bucket. Which region you want to upload your state file. So see here stores the state as given key in the format. This backend also support state locking mechanism also. So S3 it will support locking mechanism also. Locking means I am working. For example, I am running this command. Just assume I am running one command. Same time, if other resource also running same command, ఇప్పుడు దేని కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి అంటే నా మిషన్లో నేను రన్ చేస్తున్నాను, నీ మిషన్లో నువ్వు రన్ చేస్తున్నావు సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఇప్పుడు టెరాఫామ్కి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? అర్థమవుతుందా? బోత్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ సేమ్ టైమ్. దెర్ ఈస్ సమ్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ రైట్, which script we need to run first, which script we need to run second and all. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So that is also we can configure locking mechanism. Locking means if one resource running, other resource we are not giving so we are not giving a chance to run. Once this my work my process is done, then only it will release unlock and other people they can execute the command. Srinagar, clear? So this is right. Okay, now first we'll store the S3 bucket. Now just this is that's it. Now copy this one. I am not going to do anything. I am not going to do anything. Copy this S3. So S3 means store the state file in my cloud S3 and S3 also support locking mechanism also. We'll see both. For locking and all we need to configure DynamoDB table. So DynamoDB table and with the help of we can do so locking mechanism. First go to here and I am going to add here. I am going to add here where we need to add. So anywhere we can add anywhere. So now I am going to I'm keeping after. So anywhere, that is your wish. Okay. Now I'm going to add here. That's it. Now this is the backend. So this Terraform is the black. Under Terraform black backend, this is the S3. And bucket name, we need to give your bucket name. Whatever bucket you can give, and we can give. Okay. So now class. Okay. Dev buck. Just I'm giving whatever name. Okay. Class dev. This is the iniq name. Already you know iniq name. And so where you want to create this bucket? AP
South.
South one, AP South one. Next, what is the key? This is the folder name. This is the folder name. This is the folder name. This is the bucket name. Under this bucket, we need to mention one folder name. So this and all we have to do manually. This and all we have to do manually. And before that, I am going to create bucket. How to create bucket? First, whether S3 is available or not. S3. Click on S3 and so create one bucket. How to create new bucket. What bucket name I given? Class dev. Okay, class dev. I'm giving bucket name is class dev. And so where you want to region? Mumbai region. That's enough. And remaining and all I am giving access control enable, and remaining story same only. I want to do, I am not going to do anything. So that's it. I hope everyone know how to create. These are the manual steps only. Once a manual step is done, and we need to create one folder also. How to create folder, guys? Here, create folder and give any name. Okay, class dev folder. We can give any name. That is your wish. Okay, create folder. Now I need this one. Copy this one, class folder, and copy this one. Go to your script, just paste it. And what is your file name? What is your file name? What is the default file name? State file name? Default file name, state file name. ఏ నేమ్తో వస్తుంది? సి.
Not TFC.
Terraform.txt.
Copy,
Terraform dot
rename, copy, sorry. Same name we have to give here. Rename and copy, and so go to here, just paste it. That's it. Okay, so class dev folder terraform state, and this is the bucket name, and this is the your which name and which region. That's it. Now so save it. Anyone any doubt here? Terraform and backend S3, backend S3, here only three: bucket name, and so folder name, key, that is your file name, and file path, this is our file path, and region, which region you want to create. Apart from this, no need to do anything. Just save it. Control S, save it. Control S, save it, and go to here, run it. So CLS terraform apply, sir, plan. Now we need to
Terraform init.
run. So it is showing, see, backend
We need to
initialization
do
record,
patch
please init command.
the
So we
init.
added, right? Terraform init. Now we'll give one more command. Yes. Once that is done, terraform plan. Now it will give one more command also. So we need to follow that command. We'll see whether it will come or not. Now see here, no changes. Now terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve.
First remove the local state file.
No changes, right?
First remove the local state file.
Same path, right? Terraform test it. Now delete all these things you don't want. I deleted this one also. Okay. Now terraform apply auto approve. Only we need to understand Terraform, backend S3, bucket name, backend S3, bucket name, backend S3, bucket name, and path and region. Now go to here, just check it, refresh it, whether it is uploaded or not. My file is come to S3 bucket. See here, date and time also. See here, time and all. Clear, guys? Hello?
Yeah,
Uploaded or not?
clear and
Now
yeah.
just assume, and so I am going to run two users. Assume this is the one user, this is the one user, this is the one user. I am opening same one more user. Just assume two users real time. Okay, one ఇద్దరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం సేమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో. You don't know when you are going to run same command. I don't know when you are going to run commands. So now both are working same project, right? Both are working both are running same project only. Control plus plus, control minus minus. Okay, now cls, clear the screen, and control plus plus. Just assume two users, cls. Okay, now Terraform plan, just I'm giving so plan, same command. So here also I'm running Terraform plan. Now so here I'm giving plan, enter. Here also I'm giving plan, enter. Just assume two users. Here also both are running, right? Now just assume I modified something, you modified something. You are also running same command, I am also running same command. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్? క్లియర్? అర్థమవుతుందా? We are running both. We are in different place, I am in different place. I modified something, I am running command, you modified something, you are running Terraform commands. But just assume both are running same time commands. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు కమాండ్స్ రన్ చేయాలి? కన్ఫ్యూజనా లేదా?
Yes.
Now, as of now, there is no lock mechanism. Both are running at a time. See, both are running. Now here that is problem, right? So how to avoid this situation? So now Terraform plan, now S3 bucket support. Which one it will support? Lock mechanism. Which one it will support? See here, locking mechanism. Support state locking. State locking. So నాకు one user run చేస్తే another user hold లో పెట్టాలి. I want to do something. I don't want to allow to run commands. So lot command, if you want to convert now there is no locking. Now both are running same time. See here, both are running same time. Everything it is working. So two users same time లో same commands run చేయొచ్చు. There is no locking as of now. But real time we are maintaining locking 100%. So how to this? If you want to maintain locking in here S3, so we need to install DynamoDB table. We need to create one table. So where is that? Go to here AWS, and so just type DynamoDB. Dynamo. So this is the managed DynamoDB, and so with the help of we can manage. Here no need to do anything. We are not going to configure. We are not going to configure any table, any DB and all. Just we need to create one table only. Apart from this, I am not going to configure anything. So go to table. Go to table. Already someone is there. Just delete this table. Just confirm. Okay, now I don't have any tables. So go to tables. I am not going to create DB, guys. Just for locking mechanism, we need to create one DynamoDB table. So that and all they mention here. See here. So checking via DynamoDB, which can be enabled by setting the DynamoDB underscore table field and existing Dynamo table name. Okay. Right now I don't have any name. First I need to create one table name. Create table, and give table name, any name, DevOps state just understanding purpose. And so here we need to add, here we need to what is this partition key. So here we need to give one name lock id, and that is a string type. Lock id, that is the string type. Apart from this, no need to do anything. Default settings, leave it. And whatever you want, leave it. Just create table, that's it. So now table is created. Now table is created. Now tables is created. Now how to enable this one? Go to your script. Now here we need to add one more one more what is this argument. Now go to your so how they are maintaining, go to here. So we need to add dynamo db. Here itself they give a name, right? Just copy this one, that's it. No need to do anything. Dynamo db underscore table field. Now copy this field, and so paste it here, paste it here, equal, sorry, where is that? Dynamo db, copy this one, paste it here. Dynamo table equal to double quotation, that is a string type, right? What is my table name? What is my table name? This is my table name. Copy this table name. This is the name. Copy this table name, and so go to here, just paste it. Anyone any doubt here? Nothing, that's it. No need to do anything. So already this and all, extra I am going to add so locking mechanism. Now if you add this table name, now this is the lock mechanism. My state file, it is convert to lock mechanism. Now save it, file, save it, and so Kyle save it. Now open this. Now see here, right? Now I am running same commands at the same time. How it will work? Now plan, right? Here also I am giving plan, and so here also I am giving plan. What is this backend initialization? Please now we modified something, right? Again we need to use init command. So terraform init. Now we need to use two more commands. Now see here, it is showing the backend configuration changed. So do you want to, if you wish to attempt to automatic migration, run this command, or if you want to restore the current configuration, run this command. Copy this command, same command, paste it. And so here also we need to run same command, paste it. So that is, we changed something, right? So that is reason. Now clear the screen, cls, and clear the screen, cls. Okay, now I'm going to use same command, terraform plan, terraform plan. Here also terraform plan. Now both commands will run or not run, just at least guess it. Now I configure locking mechanism, right? Just assume he is the first user. So at least 1 second anyone pressing, right? ఒక సెకండ్ ముందు ఎవరో ప్రెస్ చేస్తారు కదా కమాండ్ని. క్లియర్?
Yes.
ఓకే, నౌ click on here, click on here. Now see here, error acquiring state lock. నేను ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ప్రెస్ చేశాను, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ప్రెస్ చేసినాను. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చూపించింది చూడు, వీ కెనాట్ రన్ యువర్ కమాండ్. సీ హియర్, ఎర్రర్ అక్వైరింగ్ ద స్టేట్ లాక్, error message, operation error dynamo db. Already these people running, someone is running commands. Now got it? Terraform acquiring a state lock to protect the state from the being written. So now it is lock. If you want to unlock means we can use this one. We can unlock means we can use this one. So now same only. Now for example plan. Here also plan. Okay. First I am pressing here left side. Now I am pressing here. Now see here. Here we are getting error. Now here this user can execute the command. Now see here. Now this user get what you can understand. So someone is running. So we have to wait some time. Once this command process is completed, then only now we can run it. No problem. Sorry, no problem. Already that is finished, right? That now we can run it. There, how it will work. హలో, అర్థమైందా? Anyone
Yes.
any doubt? So this is the lock mechanism. If you want to S3 support lock mechanism, if you want to enable lock mechanism, first you need to create one table in DynamoDB. Just copy this. This is the field name and add this table name. That's it. Now automatically your state file convert to lock. So at the same time, we cannot run more than one user Terraform commands. Once your process is done, it will unlock and next people allow to execute the commands. So work on the same state file. నేను వర్క్ చేస్తా అంటే నువ్వు వర్క్ చేయలేవు, నువ్వు వర్క్ చేస్తా అంటే నేను వర్క్ చేయలేను. దట్స్ ఇట్. బట్ లోకల్లో మాడిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓన్లీ కమాండ్స్. whatever you want we can modify in our local, whatever you want we can modify in our local. That is not effect. So while running commands, it won't allow same time both. But for both people, Terraform state file is same or different? First understand this one. For these people,
Same.
same file. మీరు సేమ్ ఫైల్ని మోర్ దెన్ వన్ పీపుల్ మాడిఫై చేయలేరు. ఇట్ వోంట్ అలౌ. నవ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ లాక్ మెకానిజం. నవ్ టెరాఫామ్ స్టేట్ ఈస్ లాకింగ్. So I restricted. Only one people need to execute the commands. Once this process is done, next we can run it. No problem. Clear? I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt as of now? So these are very very important. So how to make it is lock and how to add so non-resource Terraform to Terraform resource to non-Terraform resource. So these are very very important. Okay.